Hey everyone, welcome back to another SAT math video. This is a question from the official 2024 practice test 5 linked in the description below so you can follow along. Which expression is equivalent to 16x cubed y squared plus 14xy? And then they give us a bunch of answer choices here. So the concept they are trying to test us on is factoring, right? Very simple factoring. And for factoring, all you got to do is basically look at the numbers and see, okay, what variables are common to both numbers, and then what factors are common to both numbers, right? So right now, let's just kind of look at the answers and see if we can eliminate any choices. Right now, these ones look kind of fishy because I know for a fact 14 is not a factor of 16, right? So that immediately tells me these two are both wrong, right? So now we're left with 2 and 2 over here, right? So we need to basically see of these two, which one would be the correct answer. And to do that, we can look at the xy term, right? Because we both know that 2 times 8 is going to be 16 and 2 times 7 is going to be 14. So that's not the issue. The issue here is what do we do with these xy's, right? Well, if you know here, we have an xy term here, and then we have an x cubed y squared over here, right? So I'm going to just write that out. So you can imagine we have like an x times x times x times a y times y, and then we have an xy here, right? So if we're factoring out an xy as they're doing in these two answer choices, that is basically saying we're taking out the xy from the 14, right? Which is okay because we don't have any xy term on the 7 over here. So we're basically just going to take out an y from this x cubed y squared, because remember, this is basically an expanded form equivalent to x times x times x times y times y. So we are basically eliminating one y, and then we are eliminating one x. So then we are left with how many? X times y, which is nothing more than x squared y, right? So we should expect that our right answer has a 2xy out on the outside of the parentheses, and then the remainder inside should have an x squared y, right? And we already know that since it's 2 times 8, it's going to be 16, 2 times 7, so these numbers are okay, but we just have to figure out what would be the leftover, and the only one that makes sense is B. So hopefully this entire video made sense to you. Let me know in the comments below if something didn't make sense or was unclear. Check out Khan Academy. It is the topmost link on every video I post because they have so many good resources to master the SAT or ACT. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.